everyone, welcome to another video for I Love Infusionsoft. Today I want to talk about a question that specifically came up in our Facebook group this morning. And the question was, I want to find out how many active subscriptions I have, but when I go into Infusionsoft, all I can find is how many orders I have. How do I find the difference?
Yep, so when you go into your Infusionsoft account, you go into e-commerce, you go to orders, it only shows the people who bought. That doesn't mean that they're active right now or they've canceled or whatever. It's just that they placed an order at some point in time. So look, I'll even take this back.
This is a dummy account, it's a test account like always. So
take this back. So we've got a bunch of orders in there, but those people may have bought subscriptions and then canceled them. It doesn't tell us our active number of subscribers.
Right.
So what you need to do is once you're in e-commerce, so you may have noticed that when you hover over the main menu, you've got these three main sections: CRM, marketing, e-commerce, right? And when you're in each of those sections, there's then a different submenu down here. So when you're in e-commerce, after you've clicked orders and you haven't found what you're looking for, then you click or you hover over orders right here and you go to view subscriptions.
Perfect.
This is now the search that you need, and I'll click new search here, and you'll notice that here I can choose active or inactive, or I can choose a bunch of different criteria here. But if I just choose active, that will show me all of my subscriptions that are currently active.
Perfect.
You can also filter that down by product and various different things, but that's the basic.
If you want to do high level, how many active subscriptions you have, this is where you go. Thank you for that. It's a great tip, and we appreciate you guys tuning in. If you need more tips, tricks, visit us at iloveinfusionsoft.com, and you can sign up to receive these tips in your email, or you can visit us at boxoutmarketing.com, and you can request a free strategy session, and we'd love to chat with you more. Thanks.
See you next time.